Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sort and filter data in a Notion table. So I already have open the fake table I've been using, which is 4 projects. And in order to sort this, all you need to do is click on the up and down arrow on the right side. It says sort. You can also use the settings and go to sort, but we'll do the up and down arrow because it's easier. And this allows you to sort by any property you have in the table. I have these 5 properties, and there's the 5 properties here. So let's do status first. And when you choose it, you can choose if you want to do ascending or descending order. We'll do ascending. And then you can actually sort at a secondary sort. So here, once the first status is sorted, the second would be maybe by name, which would be alphabetic order. And there you go. It shows that we have 2 sorts. And in order to undo them, all you need to do is X out these. And if you want to see if you're in sort mode, there's going to be this plus filter and this blue to sort and a blued out sort button. And you can just click on this and it'll disappear if you want to unsort or you want to get out of that mode. So hope this helps. Thank you.